PEW is down 22.64%. This is the regular session of Thursday, the 17th of July. Yeah, it's trending downwards following its highly anticipated market debut, disappointing many early traders who had hoped for a sustained rally. The stock initially spiked at the open, driven by hype around its brand. Connections to the Trump family and speculative chatter labeling it as the next big play. However, the sharp decline from those early highs has fueled widespread frustration and heated debate across trading forums and social media. A number of retail investors are pointing fingers at potential market manipulation, alleging that certain large players or insiders may have capitalized on the early excitement to offload shares at inflated prices. Some traders also report issues with brokerages, including restricted trading, delayed settlements, or inability to locate shares to short, which has further amplified accusations of foul play. The Trump family's rumored involvement is adding another layer of intrigue and controversy. While some view this political tie as a catalyst for future publicity and a loyal retail following, others argue it exposes the stock to heightened volatility and unpredictable headline risk. Despite the sharp drop, pockets of the community remain hopeful for a rebound. Supporters argue that the underlying fundamentals, including the company's strong online firearms retail presence and brand recognition, could help stabilize the stock once the initial speculative dust settles. They also point out that the meme stock dynamic remains alive and well, with coordinated retail buying capable of triggering sudden price surges, especially if short interest grows. On the other hand, more cautious investors are openly cutting their losses, warning that without solid earnings growth or clear catalyst beyond social media hype, PEW risks becoming yet another pump and dump cautionary tale. For now, the stock remains a battleground for speculators, swing traders, and skeptics alike, with the next few trading sessions likely to determine whether this debut flop finds support or fades further into the red. So yeah, we have loss of 21% now, 21.57. That's the plunge we are facing now. Currently at $10.29. Upper projections 16.52, 17.91, 18.78. No guarantee that those will print. Let's have a look and see what if there's any extrapolations. Let's look at the okay all the way to the 1 minute. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Okay, strangely enough, we don't have. Okay, it has enough data. Well, a decent amount of data on the daily chart, but it doesn't have on the. Yeah, I can see what's going on. Okay, well, we'll make do with these. We'll make do with these. Let's have a look at the 1 week chart. We have 13.99 upper projection. So yeah, our best bet is the projections here on the daily chart. Yeah, 16.5 to 17.91, 18.76. There's no guarantee those will print. 9.24 is the low of the session. We could still apply the market grid here and see if there's anything, if there are other prices we haven't seen already. Okay, let's see. It seems we may find some prices. Okay, yeah, there are lower prices as well. Okay, we have the 9.68 is here, so the lowest is 8.62. So we've seen this 17.62. Yeah, something like that. We have Fibonacci has 16.52, 17.91, 18.76. So at the top of this 17.62, we have 17.91. Then above that, 18.776. So let's just keep watching and see how things pan out. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video.